Parking lot, we were stopped by quite a few police cars from different areas. Obviously, no one's telling us why. I've asked at least 5 times. The driver has shown his information, and we're waiting to see what, if anything, is going to transpire after this. And that's the situation, in case anyone doesn't know. And there's not one car here. There's had to be at least, what do you say, about 10 of them here by the time they got here?
At least 10.
When they first came?
There were 5 that I counted at first, but 10 shortly thereafter.
And they surrounded the whole vehicle. So we're going to see what's up.
Mr. Baker,
Tow truck.
do me a favor and step out of the vehicle for me, please.
Sure, my name's Bear.
Okay, I'm sorry I mispronounced your name.
It's okay.
Do me a favor, walk up to that guy right there and read that.
You got your camera going?
Oh, no doubt. Disorderly conduct?
Sir, ma'am. Yes. We're gonna need y'all to exit the vehicle.
Exit?
Yes, sir. Y'all are not under arrest or anything like that. Y'all not being detained or nothing.
So we can walk.
Y'all can just walk.
Yeah.
What about our...
But y'all looking to have to exit the vehicle.
What about...
Okay, we have to exit the vehicle. All right.
He has a warrant for his arrest.
He has a warrant. Wow. Okay. How much we can do about that, is it?
Yeah.
Can I get my wallet?
All right, let me see.